What is included in the Flat Belly Fix program? Unlike many traditional weight loss programs, Flat Belly Fix has a three-pronged approach that I particularly liked. Apart from providing you with nutritional information as well as exercise instructions, the program also comes equipped with a smoothie recipe guide. To understand how this product helps you, let's break down the various parts of the program and understand the benefits. The 21-day system. This is an interesting read available in a downloadable PDF ebook format and helps you understand everything related to health, nutrition, fitness and eating patterns. By covering topics such as human anatomy, the right eating schedule to maintain weight loss, triglycerides, serving sizes and proportions, insulin etc., you'll have all the information you need to go ahead with weight loss and maintenance. For me, the most important bit of information was learning that eating at the right time could help me with my weight loss goals. All through my 20s and even in my 30s, I used to be a regular midnight eater. Munching on snacks, although they were healthy ones, at odd hours of the day was probably hampering my weight loss efforts in more ways than one. If not for the Flat Belly Fix program, I wouldn't have ever known. The 7-minute Flat Belly protocol. 7 minutes is barely anything if you really sit and think about it. In our 24-hour-long day, this short amount of time might seem insignificant. However, the exercises found in this part of the program will really make you reconsider the importance of 7 minutes. The exercises include system tension movements, fiber activation and isometric hold among others. There are 7 exercise protocols included in this, one for each day of the week. While you may wonder if short 7-minute workout are enough to do much, let me assure you that you'll feel the burn. The exercise videos are designed in such a way that they target the stomach area. The exercises and movements that make a part of this protocol are based on movements that police officers, soldiers, military members and SWAT teams use on a daily basis for resistance and strength training. While this can sound very intimidating at first, I assure you it is not. As someone who hasn't really exercised in many years, I like that the protocol came with photos as well as detailed instructions. I didn't have to wonder about anything. Everything from properly executing my movements to the duration of the movements, numbers of reps as well as rest period specifications were included. It was fairly easy to follow along. Smoothie recipe guide. Most diets don't account for taste and the satiety that comes with eating tasty foods. However, I personally found that the Flat Belly Fix smoothie recipe guide ensures that this doesn't happen. Rather than telling you to focus on cutting out loads of foods, this guide gives you a comprehensive list of yummy recipes to consume instead. I'm a self-professed foodie and I genuinely enjoy eating fresh produce and local fruits. With smoothies made of ingredients like wild berries, coconut, almond milk, nuts, avocado and vanilla apart from other fruits, I thoroughly enjoyed eating during this program. The recipes for the smoothies do include some ingredients like coconut milk yogurt and kefir which were a little difficult to find, but not impossible either. With some prior planning, even this aspect of the program was easy. What's different about Flat Belly Fix? The foundation of Flat Belly Fix's unique approach to weight loss stems from an ancient system of eating. By choosing ancient ingredients and foods in their most natural state, it is possible to maintain optimum levels of strength and well-being. Simple ingredients that can be found in your grocery store are good enough. The only challenge, if it can even be called that, is finding a way to incorporate these foods into your diet. Moreover, since the accompanying literature tells you the exact benefits of these ingredients and how they will help you, making some changes won't be difficult. The promotional video that's on the Flat Belly Fix website claims that customers are sure to enjoy rapid weight loss without any side effects as a part of this program. They also claim that this program can help in reducing or reversing type 2 diabetes by enabling your body to burn fat for fuel instead of sugar. Other claims include reduced risk of developing heart ailments, boosting thyroid function, improving mental clarity and mood, better concentration, smoother skin and an overall feeling of youthfulness. About Todd Lamb. The author and creator of Flat Belly Fix, Todd Lamb, is a former SWAT member. He is also a veteran police officer with over 17 years of experience apart from being a certified canine handler and having military experience. Unlike some health gurus who are popular because of their talk shows or videos, Todd Lamb is a person with intensive training to maintain optimum levels of fitness. He has also authored many fitness books. Backed by real-life experience and hands-on training, his inputs and the information he shares have helped many. Todd began creating this program after his wife, a police officer, was involved in a car accident and in the recovery period she began gaining weight. With an aim to help her lose weight, he stumbled upon a very effective system that could help many others lose weight and keep it off.